good evening. Welcome to my channel, Cheraybisaya over here. These are the ingredients that I'm going to use for my mango float for tonight. And I don't have any Nestle cream, so I'm going to use that. Condensed milk and this one. And our mango. That's the hard part over here in Midwest. It's so hard or rare to find a ripe mango. So I'm gonna use this. Okay, okay guys, balik na tayo. Ito na ang ating whipped cream as well as the condensed milk. And I have dalawang type ng sizes ng ating mango. Itong maliliit, i-combine ko siya sa mix na ito. And mix lang. And yung this one, itong pahaba, it's not perfect, pero ito ang itatoppings ko. I have a lot of leftover. See, as you can see, para siyang putla, pero I have no choice. Ang hirap talaga dito maghanap ng mangga. So, yun, I'm gonna mix this well, and ilalatag ko na siya mamaya sa, sa lagayan. Yun ba yun? Anyway. Okay, I'll see you guys in a bit. First layer, guys. So, ang mix ko nandyan, I added a little of this and a little vanilla. And first time kong nilagyan siya ng konting honey. Nilagyan ko siya ng konting honey. So, yun. I'm gonna pour this over here, and then akala ko I have another extra box of this, pero wala pala. So let's see ilang layer lang to kaya nito. So I'm gonna show you later again, guys. Join. Okay, na ang ating mix. So I'm gonna add another layer on top. This is the second layer, and as we all know, just repeat the steps until maubos ang ating ingredients. So, I still have a lot of mango over here. And a lot of mix. So, it's gonna be creamy mango float. Hello everyone! Welcome again. Welcome back again. So, ito na ang ating finished product. So, I don't know if it looks good. Pero usually, marami akong cream on top. Pero, yun, wala na. Naubos na. So, yun. I just had like 2 pieces of crackers left over. So, yun ang aking dinikdik and then ng tinappings ko. So, I'm gonna show you maybe after, I don't know, 2 to 3 hours or maybe overnight. And then we are going to show you the slice of this mango float. Thank you guys. See you later. Guys, I'm whispering kasi tulog pa ang aking asawa. So, ito ang ating after 24 hours. Not really 24 hours. Probably 6 hours. So, ito na ang result. Hindi ko siya isa-slice kasi I'm gonna take it to work for our party. So, there you go. Our mango float. It looks delicious. Okay, guys. Maybe I can show you pag in-slice ko na to. Let's see. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Bye!